Imagine dropping your iPhone 12 in the pool during a family vacation. Years of photos, contacts and memories seemingly lost forever. This is one of the many scenarios that can lead to the next case. Hey, it's Mike, back at Payam Data Recovery with Senior Data Recovery Technician Wei, tackling what seemed like an impossible job, a severely water damaged iPhone 12. The phone had already been to another repair shop where technicians had attempted to fix it but failed. When Wei examined the motherboard, he discovered they had applied excessive heat while trying to separate the layers, making an already challenging repair even more complex. Wei methodically split the layers himself and found extensive corrosion around critical components, specifically the audio IC and Face ID IC areas. The water damage had spread deeper than initially visible, creating multiple points of failure throughout the device. He systematically removed the corroded audio and Face ID components, knowing they weren't essential for basic phone operation. But the real problem emerged when he discovered that one of the main power relays had shorted due to the underlying corrosion. After replacing the main power IC, the short circuit was eliminated, but the phone still wouldn't charge or connect to a computer. Wei's diagnostic skills led him to the charging IC, where he found additional corrosion that had damaged this crucial component as well. With precision and expertise, Wei replaced the damaged charging IC. The moment of truth arrived. The phone powered on successfully and was able to connect to a PC, allowing for complete data backup and recovery. What started as a failed repair at another shop became a complete success story at Payam Data Recovery, proving that when your data matters most, expertise and the right tools make all the difference. Thanks for watching.